How you doing, folks? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 70 GTO 404 speed, done in a show quality Tuxedo Black, black interior. Very, very nice car. It's a California built car. Retains all its original body panels and floors. The front nose is original, no cracks in it or anything. Very, very nice. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. Real slick paint on it. Tell you, a lot of these cars with the Endura nose on them, they get cracks in them. This one, very nice. They did the judge wing on the back. I like the way they blacked the rear bumper to match in with the front. Just a real tough look, especially being all black. It's got the correct cutout for the exhaust and everything. This is a true 242 car. Got a lot of nice options. It's got the factory Rally 2s with correct black dot lugs and PMD centers. It's got your power disc brakes, power steering, air conditioning. It's all nicely detailed. It's got the factory cast iron ram air exhaust manifold. Some people call them headers. Nice 2.5-inch duals all the way out the back with the correct tips. Doors, everything real clean, real nice. The interior is very nice in the car. Most of it is the original. It's got power windows. It's got the deluxe comfort weave seat covers. You know, the factory buckets and center console, 3-spoke sport wheel. Very, very nice car. Got a matching spare, factory jack. It's kind of bear with us. Sun keeps coming and going today. A little chilly out. They did do an AM/FM CD stereo, nicely mounted in the dash. There is a crack in the dash pad. We do have a new dash cap that goes with the car. Just a super, super nice car. It's a tough looking car in black. Got a nice little cam in. It's got an M21 Muncie 4-speed. It's got 331 posi rear. Sounds really good off the exhaust. It's just a very, very nice car. It's really hard to come up with nice, solid cars like this. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.